The DistanceMaster Compact Plus 50 by LaserLiner. With our laser rangefinder, lengths, areas, and volumes can be measured with pinpoint accuracy. Measured data are conveniently transferred to mobile devices via the digital connection, ensuring projects are reliably documented. A maximum measuring distance of 50 meters provides ample scope for a wide range of measuring tasks. The compact design enables a comfortable and secure handling. The two AAA batteries or rechargeable batteries make it reliable and simple to use. The integrated min-max function simplifies the quick identification of minimum and maximum measured values. The DistanceMaster Compact Plus 50 by LaserLiner. Reliable measuring technology in a compact format.